Sam is like he'll always, push your limits. You go home with so much knowledge and so much to work upon.
Great job, Sam and Chitra.
As Sam kept asking, how we can use our strengths and to impact a community.
It's wonderful. It's amazing.
Sam has actually taken us out of the box, helped us to think beyond our imagination.
Coach Sam is phenomenal. Every word that comes from his mouth will motivate me a lot, encourage me to push forward.
How to turn the passion into the purpose of my life.
Business model that could come out of just one stack was just amazing, and that was the takeaway for me, when just to have understanding of how powerful this passion recipe was.
How we start, where we start, that clarity is what I got today.
I took the test VA character strengths, so it really helped me to identify my character strengths.
With this wonderful couple, Sam and Chitra, it's changed a lot of the way I see of myself and the world around me.